Hi everyone, my name's Rhian and I'm a Participation Officer for the Children's Commissioner for Wales. It's St David's Day today, it's March the 1st, and so this month we're going to be focusing on Article 7, which is your right to a name and a nationality. And what I'd like you to do this month to celebrate this right is to think about what makes us Welsh. What does that mean? And you can take this a step further by thinking about Article 8, which is your right to an identity as well, by thinking about what forms our identity, what makes us who we are, maybe what similarities and differences we have with other people. And we've got a great resource called Here I Am on our website which can really help you with this. And it contains some brilliant videos from young people talking about their identities and the different experiences that they have. So good luck, and as always let us know how you get on, and I'll see you next month.